Hi, this is John Toberman from JAX Grease Research and Development, here today to talk to you about our Pyro-Plate TFS. Pyro-Plate TFS is a grease that is designed for the use in valves, seals, and fittings, particularly in the beverage industry. Now, our Pyro-Plate TFS is also NSF H1 registered, utilizing food-grade PTFE and silicone oil. In the world of beverage equipment lubrication, there are several precautions to consider. To begin with, your lubricant needs to be compliant for incidental food contact, as well as not impart taste. It is also important that the lubricant be also compatible with a wide range of rubber materials, including EPDM rubber. Now, many common food-grade lubricants are formulated with white mineral oil, which when in contact with an EPDM application such as an O-ring will actually cause it to swell. Pyro-Plate TFS has a high thickener content of PTFE to achieve a thick NLGI 3 grade, and it's also coupled with a high viscosity silicone oil to exhibit excellent shear stability and moisture resistance. For more questions on our Pyro-Plate TFS, contact your JAX sales representative today.